people and the investors of SMCI, we are about to become richer. What the fuck is going on, man? I'm crazy excited about this. Listen, the people who have been bag holding, the people who have been buying dip after dip after dip, we are about to get some major news. February 11th. That 10K obviously is looking good, is looking to be fouled, is looking to be done. It's about to be behind us. Listen, it's been a struggle ever since SMCI split. Just to give a little background, I'm not going to go too deep into it. I'm going to keep this one short because everything is just exciting. Today's the Super Bowl. Let's go. But after the Heidenberg short report, what was that, back in August, the stock took a crazy stumble to the what was it? This it fell from this $60 glory all the way down to the 40, and then continued to drop again after the audit had their original auditor had signed off. As you see, we had a nice recovery here after SMCI got a new auditor, said there was no fraud found. Then we had to endure all of this pain sideways trading here with a smaller dip. And again, we got a nice recovery sitting right here at current price 36. But after hours, you see it's actually up. Well, last time I seen it, it was 38. I don't know if that might have been a 24-hour market. So yeah, we had news throughout the entire week, though. Good news from SMCI throughout the entire week. February 5th, they had mentioned that they are ramping up full production on the Blackwell AI servers. Gotta love it. That was one of my worries, to be honest. To not had seen that sooner. The stock is looking good. The stock is looking strong. The company is looking to make a full turnaround. NVIDIA just need to get that Blackwell chip together. Overheating issues, the racks that they have been dealing with so far just doesn't cut it. And this is where SMCI comes in. SMCI is king. God damn it. SMCI is king. These AI servers. Other great news to be looking forward to. UK is expected to also ramp up their AI expenditures and pretty much go full throttle with these AI data centers and possibly other things in the AI sector. Guess who they're going to go to? SMCI. There is no one over in the UK that is manufacturing these AI servers. So again, it's looking very good. It's looking very good for SMCI. I'm pretty sure I'm missing something else, but before I forget, I just got this chart pulled up. This is the daily. It's looking crazy. It's looking amazing here from bottom. Obviously, more reward versus the risk. As you see up in the headline, SMCI 320% upside potential. Goddamn, I'm blowing past every other analyst out there who's only speaking 59%, 46%. I'm giving it 320%. That's $160 before summer. Trading at 160 by summer. I've been speaking about this since 2024, since post-split, that we would see a recovery 2025 into that 60 area. Once it blows past that 60, we should be getting more news February, March, April, which would give us that 160. Besides that, it does move on NVIDIA news because SMCI is fully in support of NVIDIA's AI chips. So at the end of the day, NVIDIA moves and SMCI will rock it as well. Just going back a couple videos ago, I actually spoke about that. The NVIDIA is the key. If NVIDIA reaches that 200 level, 190 level, At the end of the day, it is guaranteed SMCI will be up there because again, that business is going right into SMCI. So I like to see that SMCI stepped it up. It shows that they're not playing games. Yeah, I'm loving it. I'm pretty sure everyone else is excited about this. I know I'm very excited. Like I said, today's the Super Bowl, but to me, February 11th is the real Super Bowl. Let's give it up, God damn it. Just want to look at this chart real quick, and I'm going to compare this to a stock that I am actually short on, but it's about the potential. It's the bullish view that I want to show you guys because again, this looks like it had already bottomed. I'm going to compare it to Tesla. And before I throw any lines, before I put any tape lines on this chart here, this is the SMCI chart. I'm going to pull up the Tesla chart and let's just look at this area right here. It looks goddamn identical. I'm going to compare this exactly to that SMCI right here. This is the channel that we're in, right in SMCI. Look at this. Not this part. We're not talking about this beginning. We're talking about that downside bottoming and coming right back up. Did we not do SMCI? Is this chart not shaping up exactly as such? This is SMCI. This is Tesla. So again, I'm expecting a very similar move off this bottom. This is the Tesla chart. I'm expecting a very similar move because as you see, it needs to hold this position right here, this 35. It's above the breakout line. As you see here back in June and right here in July, it needed to hold this line. It did not. Obviously, we all know what happened in July, but again, we're here now, February. Very optimistic here. So I'm expecting a serious run up post ER. I'm expecting this stock to actually give its long-term investors great returns here. It's very exciting to actually see, very exciting for me to even talk about right now. Um, I'm not going to keep it long, but just to run some numbers down. 27% expected CAGR, compound annual growth rate in this sector alone. Again, SMCI is king. All of us investors have been short compounding, long term, etc., etc., etc. Because we hungry. Show me the money. Show me the truth. Again, before I log off here, I've always mentioned all of my other videos. Also, when I'm viewing the market live, etc., I'm always speaking about. Actually, I just mentioned it on the Meta Reddit TikTok video. You guys go check that out on my channel. I actually explain how the news always shows in the chart before the news hits. Remember, I was short Meta, short Tesla, previous before the bad news hit, but I was kind of doing it vice versa when it went to the run-ups. The bad news bring the stocks down to the dip buy level. That bad news Hindenburg, it brought it down to the dip buy level. You always want to look for that bad news and then look for that bottom after said bad news. You buy it and then you hold it. And then you wait for the good news, February goddamn 11th. Let's cop it up again. Super Bowl. Good news. And then you will be rewarded. This is how you get in at the bottom, no risk, and then you ride it back up. God damn it, I'm loving it. I'm excited. I'm super happy about this. The Energy new YouTube channel. Uh, so yeah, man. Catch me February 11th. I'm actually going to be with you guys, whoever's going to be listening to the earnings call, watching after hours, how the stock move, how the stock is treated, if the market loves what SMCI is saying on that earnings call. Peace.